Yes, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Ito po ulit si DJCAST na bumabati sa inyo ng magandang hapon. At ngayon, ang vlog na to ay napaka-special kasi gakoko na natin ng video ang ating show sa talagang pinaka-exciting part ng shows namin, yung part 3. Talagang non-stop talaga to na action na to. So, uncut. Ika nga, walang putol to. So, kung ano man mangyayari dyan, koko na natin, okay? So, hope you enjoy. Ito ulit si DJCAST sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers. Salamat po sa aking mga viewers. Okay? And don't forget na kung pwede lang po ay huwag lang po nyo i-skip ang ads para kahit paano eh meron naman tayong income na po. Okay? So, abangan nyo mamaya ang ating show. Part 3, talagang uncut, walang putol to. So, sana mag-enjoy kayo. Ulit si DJCAST, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click ang notification bell para update kayo lagi sa mga video na ina-upload ko. Okay? So, what are we waiting for? Well, it's showtime!
Subscribe to my man right here. Amazing content coming. You already know what it is.
DJCAST and host.
Everyone, oh!
Now tell me everybody, are you still ready? DJ cast the spell. It's time for you to move your magic wand and tell everybody, mi amigos, round 2. Incredible! للدلافين قوة خارقة يمكنها الغطس نحو 260 مترا تحت الماء والقفز نحو 5-6 أمتار في الجو وإنها من أذكى الثدييات المائية ويمكنها فعل العديد من الحركات البهلوانية. Now, action! Marvelous, that's what I'm talking about. Now let me show you the behavior between each other and the lovely trainers. Shall we? Yes, we shall. A message which have... Get ready. It's time for a dance. Dolphin and trainers in the water in a different way. It's time for the love, for the care. En tres, en dos, uno! They are marvelous, they are fantastic, they are fabulous. They have an incredible power in their bodies. Oh, yes they do. Have you ever seen a dolphin doing crazy stuff? Diving in the water, jumping in the sky, making one of the most exciting stunts? No? Alright, buckle up. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. It's time for the big boy and his sister making tornadoes! You ever seen the cutest of them all? Look who's coming, the gangster, the rebellion, baby Memo! They are very therapeutic and I'm gonna show you a free session of therapy. To all of you my friends, it's going to be for free. When you're mad, when you're upset, when you're feeling worried or feeling bad, don't worry, open your heart, let the sun comes in. Be positive, have a good vibes, and trust me, once you're in the water with the lovely dolphins, from the ashes, you will rise! Love the groove, I love the move, everything happens in a pool. The power of the tail, the power of the flex, it is fabulous. Alright, it is time to show you the powerful tail, powerful flex, powerful fins. And how they do the lovely move, it's called the trio. It's time for the brother, time for the sister to combine their real talents and show you the walk on water. What? Walk on water? Yes, it is! We see them diving, we see them swimming, we see them jumping, we see them racing, we see them doing all these lovely tricks. Oh yes, we did. But there's one thing we didn't show you, which is the big boy. When he called the brother, hey Nemo, you wanna come out and play? Yup, follow me. When you think it's all done, this is when the big surprise comes. Keep the cameras rolling, make sure you have space and battery. It is time for the final move, break dancing! Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to the Dolphin! Wow! Rule number 1, don't try this at home. Rule number 2, jump in the water. 3, balance your legs and body. 4, surf! Siva! That's what I'm talking about. Tell me everybody, do you want some more? My friends, it is going to be an adventurous journey. Yes, very adventurous. Top adventurous. Top 10 trips you will ever have in your life. Together, my friends, we're gonna pack our bags and together we're gonna go on a fantastic trip. And this trip is going to be outer space. We are going to Mars. Hashtag Dolphins to Mars. Control tower. Are you ready for takeoff? And the countdown begins. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch. Reject, abort mission. What happened? We have a problem in the system. We have malfunction in the engines. What is the problem? I think we are missing some fuel. Why? You don't have fuel in the engine? Yes, we should have some fuel, but somebody forgot to put it. Alright then, mi amigos, we're gonna need your help. Come on everybody, the fuel is our applause. Let's fill the engines with some fuel. Let's give the trainer a big round of applause. And now, attempt number 2. Control tower. Are you ready for one more? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch! Ay, what is this, my friends? I couldn't hear you. Did you enjoy? You know what? I think we're gonna go one more trick. Do you wanna see one more trick? Yes, salam! And here comes the big boy of the family. We call him Tornado! Nice! And of course, not forgetting Princess Aisha. Now everybody, let's wave a big bye-bye to the Dolphins. Paka paka! Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our session. Let's give big round of applause to our marvelous trainers. From Russia, trainer Ilya. From Ukraine, trainer Sergey. Spasiba, krasiva. Paka, paka. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for joining us, and I'm glad that you enjoyed. The exit will be from one side. Keep social distancing, mask on. Make sure you have all your items, phone, wallet, husband, wife, and kids. Don't forget your kids. Your MC Elias, DJCAST, beautiful ushers. Bye-bye. Ma'as-salama.
Okay guys, and that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. Give me your thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa mga videos na ina-upload ko. Okay, so more videos to come sa mga shows namin. So, see you again on my next vlog. Goodbye for now. Mahal salama. Peace out!
This is DJCAST channel. Please hit the subscribe and click the notification bell.